Cells are the smallest living unit of an organism. All cells have three things to it common, no matter what type of cell they are. All cells have a cell membrane which separates the inside the cell from the environment. Cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like food, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are two broad categories of cells. The first category is eukaryote cells. They have organelles, which include the nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryote cells are more advanced complex cells, such as those found in the plant and animal cells. The second category is prokaryote cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles. They do have genetic material but is not contained within a nucleus. Prokaryote cell is always one called. All unicellular organisms, such as bacteria. So what are organelles? Organelles mean little organ. Organelles are the specialized parts of the cell that have unique job or perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cells. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA detects what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. Chromatin is transposed out from of DNA found inside the nucleus membrane. When a cell is ready to do it, DNA condenses into structure known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. After ribosome left the nucleus, they will have an important job of synthesis or making proteins. Outside the nucleus, the ribosomes are the rest of the organelles. Float around in cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance. Ribosomes may wander freely within the cytoplasm or attach to endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER. There are two types of ER, large ER and ribosome attached to it, and smooth ER doesn't have ribosome attached to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane enclosed passageway of transport materials, such as the protein synthesized by ribosomes. Protein and other material emerge from the endoplasmic reticulum. Its small vesicle, where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called the Golgi body, receives them. As protein move through the Golgi body, they are customized in the form that the cell can ask. The Golgi body does this by folding the protein into assemble shape or adding other material onto them, such as lipid or carbohydrate. Vacuoles are sac-like structures that store different materials. Here, in these plant cells, the central vacuole stores water. Going back to the animal cells, you see an organelle called a lysosome. Lysosomes are the garbage collector that take in damage or worn out cell part. They are foods which enzymes is break down these cellular debris. The mitochondria in is an organelle that is the powerhouse of both animal and plant cells. During a process called cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP mode cells that provides the energy from of the cell's activity. Cells that need more energy, there are more mitochondria. Meanwhile, the cell membrane is shaped through a cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton includes is thread-like microfilament, which are made of protein, and microtubules, which are thin hollow tubes. Some organisms, such as plants and protoautophobia, meaning they capture sunlight for engineering, have cells and organelles called a chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It's green because it's a green pigment called chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside their cell membrane that shapes, support, and protein the plant cells. Animal cells never have a cell wall. There are many other unique structures that only some cells have. Here are just a few. In humans, for example, the respiratory tract in the right with cells that have cilia. Another unique feature is cell is flagella. Some bacteria have flagella. A flagellum is like a little tail that can help a cell move or propel itself. The only human cell have a flagellum is a sperm cell. In summary, remember, eukaryote cells are plant and animal cells with a nucleus and membrane, enclosed organelles. While prokaryote cells are unicellular organisms without these things. All cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, or genetic material. And even though all plant cells have chloroplasts, both plant and animal cells have mitochondria. Everyone is have any question? Okay, not question. See you next time.